Hi there, this is Chris Kellett with musegrid.com, and today we're going to look at changing colors and fonts. We've loaded up the Innovative Angles template, which is a popular template on musegrid.com, and we're going to look at just changing some basic color areas and some fonts so that you can see how to modify one of these templates to match your client's own designs and color schemes. So let's jump straight in and open the home master page here, and we're going to change this navigation bar color to start off with. So we're going to select that, and we can change the color in either the fill palette here or the fill palette here. So let's click on the color area here. Let me just pull this palette in so you can see it a bit better, and we're going to use the color selector here, and we're going to choose that darker color there, and notice how that's changed. And whilst we've got that selected, we're also going to go in our graphic styles palette and create a new style. So I've clicked on the create new style button there, double click, and I'm going to just call that new style and click OK. That means we can reuse it again and again. So if we drop down to the footer here, I'm going to change this bar as well to the new style color scheme. And then we're going to also select this background color here, this background block, to the slider, and instead of having a solid color, we're going to use the gradient this time. And we've got our gradient selected there, and there's the two colors selected there. Click on the drop down. Let's use this light blue, and then on the we'll use this dark blue here. Actually, I don't like that blue, so let's go back to this color here, and let's add that to our color swatches. There we go. Then I can go back to my gradient here and select that, and instead of it being a horizontal, I want it to be a vertical. There we go, and there's my colors there. So that's those selected. Let's come out of the home master now, and if we go to one of the other master pages, the page master here, we can, instead of having to select the colors now, we're just going to apply the style there and apply the new style that we created there. So you can see we can quickly now move through our master pages here and just apply our styles. New style. There we go. And the services master, here we go. New style and new style. Now all of our pages now should be updated, and if we double click now on our page, we can see that they are all now got the new color scheme. Let's change a font. So I'm going to click on the About Us page, and I want to change the actual H1 tag here. If we click on our paragraph styles here, we can see that I've got an H1 here, and I'm going to change that text to, let's say, Lato Bold, and I'm going to change its colors to this dark blue that we selected before. Now you'll notice that there's a little plus icon that's showing next to that style now, that paragraph style, and that tells us that some things have changed. So we can either create a new paragraph style, we can clear the overrides, which will take it back to its original style, or we can redefine the style. So we're going to redefine that style. And now if we look at through our templates here, you can see that they've all been updated now with the new style and color, and we can publish that, and it now reflects the new colors that we wanted to change for the client. So this is just a brief overview of how you can change colors and fonts using the text and fill palettes, but have a play with the Innovative Angles or any template that you've played with, that you've purchased, and change the colors, and this should make your workflow really fast for getting your sites built quickly, get them deployed, and get yourself paid as quick as you can. Thanks for watching.